in there, but they look like this. So hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Temu home decor, y'all. I have some amazing curtains that I got from Temu and I want to show them to y'all today because as you can see, they are simply amazing, y'all. Like, I absolutely love these curtains. Okay, let me get them for you real quick. Y'all know we're gonna go over the details, the size, the price, and everything like that. So 1 second. Okay, you guys, so as you guys know, Temu have some like amazingly affordable items. This is not a sponsored video. We used our own money to buy all of these Temu home decor items that I will be showing you guys in today's video. So let's start off with these amazing curtains. As y'all can see, they are nice, they are long, baby. They are from the top of the ceiling all the way to the floor. So this is the 52 52 by 95 in length, and it comes with one in each pack. I'm gonna show you guys off to the side so that you can see like the price point and everything like that. And also they have different colors. I know a lot of people are looking to, you know, make over their home and you want some affordable home decor, honey. So Temu have you, and I'm telling you, I have been in love with Temu lately. Let me show you guys just like a really nice close-up of what these curtains look like up close. So this is the fabric. That is what they look like, you guys. And as you can see, they are pretty much doubled in there. But they look like this. So they're, you know, very nice. And these are some pillows, or at least some pillow covers that we picked up off of Temu. And you know, Temu, they have some really nice home decor. I mean, I could not wait to do this Temu home decor haul because I actually showed you all these pillows before when I showed you all the couch that we picked up off of Temu as well. Yes, honey, a couch. I'll be sure to leave the link for the couch down in the description box. I'm gonna show you guys like a little sneak peek of the couch as well in this video, just in case that's something that you want to go pick up. But you guys, look at how amazing these pillow covers are, okay? If you want some really nice pillow covers for your living room, I would say you could even put these in your bedroom as well. Like, these are amazing. And we got some amazing feather stuffed inserts for these, you guys. And look at how heavy it is. And like, you know, to like do like the chop and everything in it. Oh! Like, isn't that amazing? I absolutely love these pillow covers. I'll be sure to leave all of the actual description and information for everything for this video because I did a video on these pillow covers. I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, if you were looking for some affordable home decor, run on over to Temu because y'all know none of my videos are sponsored, but baby, I have been absolutely in love with Temu, and I always do a price comparison when it comes to Temu versus Amazon. You guys, I am in love with these curtains, okay? So I'm gonna make sure, like I said, that I leave the link for these curtains down in the description box because they are amazing. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at these because I'm telling you, I definitely went on to Amazon because I have some curtains that we got from Amazon as well. But the price point, I looked at it and I was like, wait, you get 4 panels for that price? And then I went over to Amazon because you guys know that you have to do like this whole price point thing. And you know, we love some good affordable home decor. So Temu, I went over there and y'all, they have 4 panels for, I think it was like $39 or something like that. And then I went over to Amazon and for the exact same length and width, it was like $32 for 2 panels. So obviously, you know, it made more sense to go ahead and shop the same items from Temu, because what I found is once I got the curtains here to my house, I already had some Amazon curtains, and I was like, let me just see a comparison, you know, or do a Temu versus Amazon type situation. But when I looked at it, I was like, these are the exact same curtains, so save your money. It does not cost a lot of money to, you know, make your home look nice, make your home look amazing, because y'all, listen, I am falling in love with the apartment. But anywho, I'm talking too much. Let's do a close-up on the curtains. Okay, so as you guys can see, the curtains are very nice. They are extremely thick, and get into it, you guys. They are so long. They sweep the floor, okay? And I did not know what to expect out of these curtains that we got off Temu, but we also have other home decor that we got off Temu as well, which I'm gonna show you guys. But these curtains here, I'm telling you, they exceeded my expectation, okay? And I have not, you know, seen them in the daylight as of yet, although they did say that they are blackout curtains, but they are absolutely amazing, and we love them in our home. Now, this is the couch that we got from Temu. I am absolutely in love with it. We've actually probably had it for almost 2 weeks at this point, but as you can see, it is absolutely stunning. It is the pillow topped couch that we picked up off of Temu. And also, y'all, just like, look at how cute that is. Like, just with this throw right here that we picked up off of Temu as well. And it is a really nice, like, fabric and everything. And it also have like the cute little tassels, you know, at the bottom of it. But you guys, we could not be happier with the Temu home decor that we have gotten thus far, because we do plan on getting more. And like I said, we also picked up this plant. It is artificial off of Temu as well. And yeah, you all, and one last thing that I want to show you guys that we picked up off of Temu also is these picture lights. If you are looking to make your place look, you know, just a little bit more elegant, a little bit more high-end, then definitely you want to go pick up these picture lights, because they are absolutely amazing. And as you can see, it just makes the picture look stunning. So we are really happy with everything that we have got thus far from Temu. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about everything that you saw in today's Temu home decor haul. Hey guys, so that is going to be the end of this Temu home decor haul. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Like, we have so many amazing home decor pieces from Temu that I have just been in love with, y'all. And honestly, like, I could not be more excited. A lot of the greenery that you see around me right now as well, we got from Temu also, like these leaves here, like even the lights hanging over the picture, like some picture lights, and also this little plant right here as well, we got from Temu. So as y'all see, honey, I love Temu. So if you are looking for some really nice, amazing, you know, just things that feel luxurious, and you are looking for something compared to Amazon, run on over to Temu, because we are in love with our curtains. We're not actually done styling them. As y'all can see, they're still a little wrinkled. So I have to stain them and everything like that. I just wanted to hang them up so that you guys can see for reference, you know, like how tall they are and everything. Because as you can see, as I'm standing next to them, like, these curtains are absolutely stunning. They are absolutely amazing. So yeah, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, honey. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next Temu home decor haul.